People often ask about the headquarters of different financial institutions. It's a pretty common question, especially for those looking into a bank's history or its local presence. But when you ask about Peak Bank, the answer is a little more interesting than you might think. The name Peak Bank can refer to a couple of different things, and it's easy to get them confused. The first is Peak Bank, which is a division of Idaho First Bank. This is a community-focused institution, and because it's part of Idaho First Bank, it operates under their structure. So if you're looking for the headquarters of this specific entity, you're looking at McCall, Idaho. Idaho First Bank, the parent company, has its headquarters there, and that's where its core operations are based. They serve the greater Southwest Idaho area with branches in places like McCall, Boise, and Eagle. It's a regional bank with a strong local focus. Now, there's a separate entity that has also been in the news with a very similar name, Peak Bancorp. This was a holding company for, you guessed it, Idaho First Bank. Peak Bancorp itself was acquired by a larger, publicly listed banking group called BOAG Group. This acquisition was completed in late 2023, and it's a significant detail in the story of Peak Bank. The BOAG Group, which now owns Peak Bancorp, is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. This is a large European banking group that's been expanding its presence into the United States. So, for a while, Peak Bancorp's headquarters was in McCall, Idaho, but with the acquisition, the ultimate parent company is now based across the Atlantic. So, to summarize, the name Peak Bank most commonly refers to a division of Idaho First Bank, which is headquartered in McCall, Idaho. However, the holding company for that bank, Peak Bancorp, was recently acquired by a European financial group headquartered in Vienna, Austria. It just goes to show how interconnected the financial world is, and that a single name can sometimes have multiple layers to its story.